Good morning, this is Mrs. Cruz with our AVID weekly announcements. We are in week 7 now, and we only have a few weeks left to go, so continue doing a great job. I know that you guys are working really hard, and now is the time to continue that work. So, last week what was announced was that we have a change in our schedule, right? We said that if you are receiving an A or B, you don't need to make up any tutorials in our class, then you are all done with tutorials. But this Tuesday and next Tuesday, I do have some makeup tutorials available for all of you. So they'll be offered at 1 p.m. So that's today. So remember that I already sent out the assignment if you're going to be doing this makeup tutorial. In the assignment that I submitted, it gives you a section to complete a TRF and a Jamboard, so just make sure you have that ready so that you have a point of confusion ready to go for this makeup tutorial. Okay, and then we also like to highlight our Scholar of the Week. So this week, our Scholar of the Week is Evelyn. You've been doing a great job throughout the whole year, and I know that as far as the distance learning goes, you're really good about communicating with me and your other teachers, and I know that you're working really hard because you do all the assignments and you really fit the goal that we're going to be talking about really soon. So thank you for doing such a great job and keep it going. Okay, so this week here are some things to expect. A lot of it's the same. We have our quote for the week. So it says, "Great is the art of beginning, but greater is the art of ending." It's by the poet Longfellow, and I like this quote because it's just reminding us that it's such a good feeling to end things on a good note and knowing that you're trying your best. So knowing that we're down to the last few weeks of the school year, just keep that as a motivation to know that end it strong and end it so that you feel proud of yourself afterward. The Scholar Goal hasn't been updated yet, so as soon as I hear what it is, I will update it on our document too. But yesterday you should have had some time off, extra time to rest and feel recharged, because it was our Memorial Day celebration. Now the remaining days, everything is basically the same. The only difference is the makeup tutorial. So I already posted the link for you to be there at 1 o'clock p.m. And other than that, just continue doing your weekly logs. And our, it does say tutorial, but it's more like a class. It's going to be more of a class than a tutorial. So we will have a Zoom class at 10 a.m. for participation points. So I will not be posting, so here's actually an update that I'm remembering as I'm doing this. So I will not be posting a TRF or Jamboard for that. In order to get points, you are just going to show up at 10 a.m. and you are going to get participation points for that. So it's going to be more of a team builder, but you are going to get points. So easy points, should be fun. Make sure you show up to our 10 a.m. class time. And I think other than that, everything else is the same. So let me know if anything comes up, if you have any questions. Oops, sorry.